Hi Sagittarius, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 26th of September. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump in and see what this particular week has in store for you. The first card that I see for you is Two of Wands, Ten of Wands, and Ace of Pentacles. Person B here has Three of Cups, the Devil card, and the Nine of Wands. Bottom of the deck I have the Queen of Swords, which means that either you or your person is in that energy where you want to have a very honest conversation, and whenever the other person comes to talk to you, they should go ahead and tell you all the facts. There should be no secrets, because if you find out that there is anything that this person is hiding, you will rip them off. So that's the energy that you are in. Now what I'm seeing here from the first set of cards is you have Two of Wands and Ten of Wands. It means that you have two situations, or you're dealing with two people. There is that option B, and that is what is causing a lot of stress and exhaustion to you, because you know that this is not going to work out in the long run. Maybe for some of you, if you're dealing with two people right now and it's looking very nice, okay, you do understand that eventually this has to stop, and you don't know now how to go ahead and have that conversation with both these people. So that's causing a lot of stress to you. Now eventually I believe you will have that conversation, because the next card that I see is Ace of Pentacles, which means a new beginning, a new start. And with Pentacles, you want to go ahead and start small, and you want to eventually build on that particular relationship. Person B here has Three of Cups with the Devil card, which means that there could be a third party situation for some of you. This person could be entertaining another person as well. With the Devil energy, that's negative energy that is in and around them. This negative energy could be anything: sex, drugs, alcohol, negative friends, family members, anything which is negative, or any person that's negative and that's around them is causing them a lot of stress and anxiety as well. With this Nine of Wands, like you, they are also exhausted and suppressed, and they are going through this stress and trying to think how can they come out of this entire situation. Now let's go ahead and see what is the intention of this person for you. So the first card is the Emperor card, the Devil card on top of the Devil card, and the Magician energy. Now all three of them are major arcanas. Now the Emperor card is Aries energy, that's father of the deck. This person will eventually go ahead and take up that leadership role and try to lead this particular relationship. With the Devil energy, they understand that this is something negative and they will have to come out of this. And with the Magician energy, they will use all the four elements so that they come out of this negativity and start again. So that's a positive thing, but it will take a lot of courage and a lot of work for this person to come out of this negativity, whatever that negativity may be. Now let's also go ahead and see what is the message from the Moonology Oracle cards for all of you. So the message is your hard work is paying off. This means that if you put in hard work in this relationship, it is eventually going to pay off. You just need to be a little more patient. Let's also go ahead and quickly see what is the message from archangels and a crystal that can also help you out in this particular situation. So the crystal that I see for you is Shell Fossil. The crystal message is, are you ready to uncover memories or wisdom stored within your consciousness? Spiral inward to understand your dreams and vision. Recognize the value of the past and use it as a stepping stone for the future. You have much wisdom inherent within you. Use it. Now with this, there's also a message here from Archangel Jophiel, which I'll go ahead and put in the description box so you can read it out from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular week. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.